So hello friends, welcome to this channel again. So in today's tutorial, we are going to use the randomly generated accident data for a particular location and create both heat map and density polygons. So my data is here, the one that I have created, downloaded it. So I am going to use this shape file that I have downloaded here that has the accident data and the map that we are going to draw and the density polygons, something that looks like this at the end of this tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is you will launch or open your QGIS canvas like this. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you import your files into this. So we go to layers, add layers, then add vector layers. Then you will have to go and get your shape file. So first of all, let me get the points, the accident points. Then add. Once I click add, they add there automatically. I'll still go back again, then get the shape file of our map, then click open, then click add. Then I will leave here. I'll come back. Then you can see, you can move this layer up there so that you can see the points. Let me zoom out so that you can see the accident points. So this is an area where our focus is. This is a study done on the number of accidents occurred in this area. So this is the map and this is the area. So I don't want to put this color in this map. I want to make sure I only focus on the boundary. So I will right click on my layer here, then go to properties, then go to simple fill, go to this, then look for remove the color, then apply, then go back. So you can see my points can be seen clearly. So the next thing I want to do is to create a heat map. But before I do that, we need to install a plugin. So we'll go to plugins, manage and install plugins. If you don't have this plugin, you must install it. So it is called density analysis. So you can just go to it, select this option, not installed, then go to density analysis, click on it, then install the plugin. So give it a minute. Once it's done, yeah, it's done. So then you can go ahead and close. So once you have installed that plugin, immediately you can see these icons appearing here. These are the icons we are going to use to make sure that we draw our map. So the next thing we do is we will go to select the styled heat map. There's more you can do with this, but mine I want to create a heat map. So I'll click on the styled heat map. Then the next thing that will pop here is I'll select this option, accident points. Then I want to give my cell pixel dimension. So for high resolution, I will use 0.1, 0.1. Then here, the kernel radius in measurement is I will use 4.5. 4.5, that is the influence of my points to the environment. That is for the resolution. Then when you go down here, there's select color ramps. There's so many colors here. You can select the one that you want, but mine I will leave it in default like that. Then I will select, I'll go down. You can go down in your, yes, you can see there's a advanced, yes, once you click on advanced parameters, it takes you down here. So you can see here there is interpolation. I will leave it linear, but on the mode I will change it to continuous in our case. So then I will hit run. Once I hit run, the next thing that you will see, then close. So you will see the heat map has been created here. So I want to make sure that the heat map is above the point. So I'll come to this layer, then move it up. Then now clearly I can click on that. I can, yes. Then you can see my heat map is here. It is created very well. it can show you that at this point there was more accident that occurred than other points around it. So this is my heat map. Then the next thing I want to do is to create the density polygon around this heat map. So I will do, the next thing I'll do is I'll come here again, go through the same process, hit on it, then select that, increase the clarity, make it 0.1, 0.1, that is good. Then go here, select 4.5, then go down, scroll down. Sorry, this one I've pressed it by mistake. So it's supposed to be 0.1. Good, then scroll down. So here in interpolation, we will put discrete, then the mod will say, still put it continuous, then we will draw it. Then once it's done, you close. So you will come here, then find you have your a polygon. You can take this up, so you can see the polygon is created. The density polygons are created around your heat map. So when you zoom in, you can see this clearly. Those are your, sorry, let me zoom out. Click on it, zoom out, so that you can see them clearly. Nice, right there. So you can see we have created the map, the accident points where they occurred, a heat map, where there's this place. Then we have created the density polygons in your QGIS. So the next thing that I want us to do is you can now decide to print this map. You can decide to print this map. So let me see, move this up, move these points up, move these points up. Okay. So then, yeah, nice map. Good. So I want to make sure that this map is printed out in a good way. So the next thing you can do is you can come to new printout, then you can click OK, then you can come to this, then to this new clean slate that you can use to print your map out. So what you can do is you can use these icons on your left hand side here to add the map. When you click add map, you come here and you draw, then your map will automatically render here. So once it renders here, you can now even add the legend, add the note bar, add the scale bar, and all that. So you can do that on your heat map, and that is it. That is how easy it is to create your heat map. And if this video helped you and you found it more helpful, please make sure you leave a comment below, and you like and you subscribe. See you in the next video.